Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows update failed with the error code 0x80071a2d, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset Windows update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is you need to copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this one does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat22 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. And finally, it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Now, basically, we have performed every possible troubleshooting required to solve any Windows update error. But if it still doesn't work, then here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can scroll down and select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows update troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.